Why are you standing way back here?
Don't I need the funnel?
Nope, you can just pour that in.
How?
Carefully.
I need...
Need help? Got it.
It's gonna go all over. I need the funnel.
No, go ahead. It's fine.
Oh,
that wasn't enough.
Put more in.
That wasn't enough.
What do you think we need more of?
Baking soda.
Think so? Okay.
I only put
just
one
don't get it
hand in.
wet. So here. Here's the funnel.
Can I put the baking soda in?
Here, pour it in my hand. Good.
You said I couldn't help.
Well, now you can. Come on, get in
Can
there.
I put that stuff in?
Get in there.
I got this.
It's bubbling. Yeah, pour some of that in, but not too crazy.
That's enough.
Oh, it's coming. See, that was way
A
better.
little bit more. No, try more vinegar.
More vinegar, Katie. Let's try it.
Alright, more vinegar. I need the funnel.
No. The funnels for the... We should have gotten 2 funnels. Why are they even called funnels?
I think we know what we need more big.
Oh! That's what we've been looking for. That right there is what we've been looking for.
We need more of this.
Yes, we do. But make sure it doesn't bubble when it's... Okay. It's not. Oops. Whoops. Too much. No, not too much. Okay, let's get some more.
Alright, can I shake it in?
That's enough. Stop, Kitty. Stop.
I'll put this in.
Don't pack it, Sean, or it won't fall in. You gotta. It's going.
I can see it. Ow. Oh! Whoa! That was unexpected. You can put more in. I don't know. I think it's clogged.
Yeah, if it got wet, it might be clogged. Don't dump it out the top. Find a little stick or something and push it up there.
I'm going to put more of this in.
Why don't you wait?
What?
Why don't you wait?
Okay.
Whoa! That was an accident. Stick with me. This is actually kind of fun.
Still close.
Here, Katie,
Yeah?
you film.
Why?
Because I'm going to help Sean.
There we go.
Hey, Papa. When can you start filming again?
I will right now.
It's going in, Sean.
Is it coming up? No, I think you need a little bit more vinegar. That's not vinegar.
Here, Sean, you poke it from the top. Nope, put it in the bottle and poke it from the top.
Now
Sean,
do it, Sean.
put it in the bottle. Put the funnel in the bottle. Then poke it from the top. And then shake it. When it gets plugged up,
There we go.
when
I
it gets
can see
plugged
the
up,
hole.
you can just poke it again.
I can see the hole. Plugged up. Whoops! There goes the lead. Plugged up.
We've waited a long time to do this.
Yeah. Ah! Come on, quit clogging. Probably won't clog. I've just got that stone stuck in my head. I know, confused. Now it's my turn. Yes, it is. Don't go bonkers with it. Go more. Okay, get away. Whoa. That's what we were looking for. No.
Here. You film.
Can I have a turn? Katie, you're in my way.
Sorry, but may I have a turn with baking soda?
Whoa!
Ready?
Yes. Go. Leave. Darn it! You wasted it.
What did I waste?
You wasted the explosion.
How did I waste it?
It was exploding and you just wasted it.
Are we backing up?
Add some more baking soda.
Can I have the baking soda?
I have the right gear. Is it going up?
It's busy.
Okay.
Back up, back up.
Not very much though.
Put in some more baking soda. Hey. Katie, you're in my way of the filming. Will you please stop running in front of me?
May I do the baking soda?
Oh, Dad's going crazy with this. I can't wait to see the explosion.
Oh! That was what we were looking for.
Sort of.
Oh!
7 minutes and 37 seconds. Oh, darn it, Dad.
This is so much fun.
I wanna have fun. Now let go.
Let go.
There.
Ooh, that is fun. Papa, can we put this online?
This is really, really hilarious. We're trying to make a We're trying to make a volcano that
people will laugh at
I
this.
made, and so I'm Sean, and this is my volcano project. I wonder if I'll win this in the school, whatever it's called.
Science.
Science, yeah. I wonder if I will.
And it's so
Using a beer bottle in a volcano and making it explode, seeing how high it will explode, trying to get it to explode really high.
like it's like
So it's
taller
like
than,
boom!
like taller than houses and taller than trees.
Well,
Taller than a tall. Stop.
you're ruining.
You know that.
So this is my dad putting in the ingredients, and I'm filming right now, but I was doing this, so it is really fun. I'm so excited. So let's get to it.
Why'd you say let's get to it?
Let's get to it. Dad is going crazy.
Oh.
Dad, you are crazy.
Okay.
Stand back,
Ready?
everybody. If Dad spills, there's going to be an explosion. Stand back. This is going to be a big one. Ooh, it's going to explode. I got to get this. I gotta.
Lift up your finger. Lift up your finger. Lift up your finger.
Oh, that was so.
What?
Oh.
Here, I won't hold it back anymore.
Okay. This might be better. Ooh, that was a cool explosion.
Let's put more in.
Now this is my volcano.
Oh, it's bubbling.
Oh! That is what happens when you do this. It's really cool. And see how I made it? I used paper mache and a beer bottle and paint and a piece of wood to put it on.
Papa.
What is wrong with this volcano?
Nothing, it just isn't building up enough pressure. It's still bubbling though.
Put in some more baking soda.
I think we got a lot of baking soda in there.
We've got a lot of that stuff in there. We've used a lot. We have used up all of our stuff.
We've used, what,
All of it.
2 quarts of vinegar.
So let's put some baking soda in now. Oh, sorry about. Oh! Let go, Dad. Let go. Let go.
Sean, get this.
It'll just go poof.
Let go.
What is going on?
Lift up your finger. Lift up your finger.
No, it's just gonna go poof, Katie.
Lift up your finger.
Hey, you just got me.
Lift up your finger.
Stop it, Dad.
Please lift up your finger. Oh!
Baking soda. We need baking soda.
That's why I'm shaking it up, because there's baking soda in there.
Ooh, hope this is gonna be good. Are you real? Hey, I smell chocolate. I smell something that smells actually pretty good. We're just giving the street a cleaning.
Oh!
The water's only Oh! I bet
Lift up
this
your
is.
finger.
No, Katie, it's only gonna go. Nothing.
Nope.
Yeah, we need some baking soda.
More baking soda.
So this is how we put the baking soda in. You just take a funnel and do that. So basically we've used a lot of. So now, right now, my dad is putting in the ingredient to do it. And this is really funny, but we are not having any luck making it shoot up in the air, which we want it to do, instead of just do what it's doing.
Now, what do you think we could do to make it shoot up in the air? When is it shooting up in the air?
When it's got a lot of pressure in it.
And what? What else?
Air,
Well, what am I doing when it shoots up in the air?
plugging it.
Let
Your-
pressure build up.
So we're
Dump it
pushing
fast.
real fast, Katie.
Real fast.
Now get out! Get out of there! That was an explosion we were going to look for.
Try again, Bug.
Oh no, we're using up all our baking soda.
That's alright.
You know what? I don't feel hungry. That! I hope I got that. I hope I got that.
More. Do you want some more?
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah. We need some more in there. I got that one. Now that was cool.
More.
More baking soda.
Okay. We need the
No, I
funnel.
don't have too much. Here, just dump it in. I'll use my hands. I don't have too much of that stuff left.
What, baking soda?
Actually, vinegar. No, we might not have that much baking soda left either.
You know what? I think we're just wasting our stuff.
No.
But it's fun.
Yep.
We're doing it. This could be good for our
Luckily,
scent.
baking soda and vinegar are really cheap.
Yeah.
Oh, good. I don't think we're getting anything in there. I can hear it fizzing. Sort of. Right now, it is just... We're just trying to get it in. And having no luck of it shoot up where we want it. We've had 2 sprays that have done.
Do you remember
pretty
what the gas is that is coming off?
No.
No.
Smoke.
It's been a long time. Nope. Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Why didn't
Should I
I
put
think
some
of
more
that?
in?
Yep, go for it.
Go
Dump
for
it
it.
all in.
Just dump it all in. But be careful!
We still have some more.
Sorry about that.
Hey, put more.
Nope, go ahead. You got plenty.
Ooh, that was good.
And this bottle's almost full.
Ooh.
Oh!
Oh, fizz. Fizz.
It wants some. Oh!
Whoa.
Are you getting this, Sean?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Why aren't you talking to the people?
I don't want to right now.
Are you shy?
No, I don't want to.
Ah!
All gone.
Wait, can we
Put more. Put some
No,
more.
we don't have any more.
We gotta dump it out now. So this is the end of the video. What do I press?
Center button.
Sean's experiment with his family, volcano, whatever, is